Hazrat Abu At-Tayyah reports that he heard Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu say, on the day of the conquest of Makkah, some Ansar said, the riches have been awarded to the Quraysh, the immigrants. How amazing is it? Where is the blood of the Quraysh, the idolaters of Makkah, is dripping from our swords, but our booty is being extended to them. When this news reached the Prophet ﷺ, he summoned the Ansar and said, this news about you has been reported to me, and they did not use to tell a lie. So they replied, really a true news has reached you. So he ﷺ said, aren't you pleased that the other people may return to their houses with booty, and you with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle ﷺ? If the Ansar trade in a valley or through a pass, I will also walk through the valley or the pass of the Ansar. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3778.